Alright, good morning everybody. It's 9 o'clock in the morning. I just wanted to give you guys a quick video of my exhaust system on startup and then do a quick little drive as I promised. Let me just start it up here. Oh, actually I think I heard a car alarm go off. Alright. It's funny, that's my neighbor's car alarm, but here we go. This is what it sounds like in the cab when I'm driving. I gotta reverse just a little bit. Put it into drive. And here we go. I'm not gonna say much. I'm just gonna let you guys listen. Stoplight. And then we are just sitting at idle right now. Once this light turns green, I'll show you guys what it sounds like at wide open throttle, with the windows open and with the windows closed. Alright, here's the first run, wide open throttle. That's with the windows up. With the windows down, this is what it sounds like. Back up. And I guess that's pretty much it for this video, as I gotta get on the freeway now and head straight off to school. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed.